Spinal Cord Stimulator Lawsuit explained. Spinal cord stimulators are devices intended to alleviate chronic pain by delivering electrical impulses to the spinal cord. However, despite their benefits, these devices have been associated with serious risks and complications. The FDA has reported over 80,000 adverse events related to spinal cord stimulators since 2008, including nearly 500 deaths. Complications from these devices can lead to increased pain, device migration, nerve damage, and other severe injuries necessitating further surgeries and treatments. Victims of defective spinal cord stimulators face not only physical and emotional challenges, but also financial strain due to medical bills, lost income, and ongoing care needs. If you have experienced significant injuries due to a spinal cord stimulator, you may be eligible to pursue a lawsuit for compensation. TruLaw is ready to assist by evaluating your case and determining the appropriate legal action. Contact us for a free consultation or use our website's chat feature to instantly check if you qualify for a spinal cord stimulator lawsuit. Spinal cord stimulator cases, due to complications from the device or medical errors during implantation, are typically addressed through one of two primary legal channels. Medical malpractice cases. These claims are directed against healthcare providers involved in the implantation of the device. They focus on errors such as incorrect placement or inadequate post-operative care. Attorneys in these cases gather evidence like surgical records and expert analyses to demonstrate that negligence directly caused the injuries. Product liability lawsuits. These claims target the manufacturers of the spinal cord stimulators, arguing that injuries were caused by defects in the device's design, manufacture, or the lack of adequate warnings about potential risks. Victims may pursue compensation for their injuries by filing either or both types of lawsuits, depending on the specifics of their case, to hold responsible parties accountable for their suffering. Your attorney will direct you on the best course of action based on your case. While spinal cord stimulator devices are designed to provide relief for chronic pain by interrupting pain signals in the nervous system, they can sometimes cause severe injuries and health complications. Faulty devices, improper implantation, or inadequate monitoring can lead to long-term or even permanent damage for patients. Patients who experience complications with spinal cord stimulator devices often report a range of serious injuries and health risks. Injuries and health risks include device malfunction. Electrical pulses may fail to provide effective pain relief or may cause unintended nerve damage. Increased pain or discomfort. Some patients report worsened pain, particularly in the back, neck, or legs, following implantation. Device migration. The implanted device or its components may shift from their original placement, causing damage to nearby tissues or the spinal cord. Infection. Surgical implantation of spinal cord stimulators carries the risk of infection at the incision site or within deeper tissues. Epidural hematoma. Bleeding around the epidural space can lead to nerve compression and serious complications. Nerve damage, incorrect placement, or malfunctioning devices may result in nerve injuries, causing numbness, tingling, or loss of function. In addition to immediate injuries, patients may face long-term health complications from defective or improperly implanted spinal cord stimulator devices. Long-term effects include chronic inflammation, prolonged irritation, or immune responses caused by the implanted device. Scar tissue formation, build-up around the stimulator, leads to further complications or device malfunctions. Spinal cord compression. Pressure on the spinal cord can cause significant nerve damage and loss of mobility. Permanent disabilities, severe complications may result in irreversible damage, impacting a patient's quality of life. Beyond the physical injuries, the complications associated with spinal cord stimulator devices can lead to other impacts. Emotional and financial impacts include emotional distress, anxiety, depression, and reduced quality of life due to chronic pain and medical complications. Substantial medical expenses, costs for additional surgeries, treatments, physical therapy, and ongoing medical care. Lost wages, inability to work during recovery or due to permanent disability, and other damages. Spinal cord stimulator complications have prompted lawsuits against both healthcare providers for surgical negligence and manufacturers for device defects. If you've experienced harm due to a faulty spinal cord stimulator, you might have grounds for a lawsuit to seek damages for medical costs, lost income, pain and suffering, and other damages. TruLaw is ready to assist you. Use our website's chatbot for a free instant online case evaluation to find out if you qualify for the spinal cord stimulator lawsuit right now. Our legal team will support you in documenting your claim and evaluating the full extent of damages to ensure you receive the compensation you deserve for the impact on your life.